Alright, this is a quick example solve on how to solve a cube using the beginner method. First, I'm going to find a white edge. I'm going to move it to the top layer. So this red one's in there. Move the orange one up. The blue one's here, so I'm going to, if I move it right now, it's going to disrupt the red one. So I'm going to move this back and then move it up and then move it back so I can move it up like that. And then the green one's over here, so move it like that and then move it up. So they're all in the top. Guess I'll start with the green one. So line it up and then move it to the bottom. It's lined up like that. Move on to the red. Line it up with the center. Move it down. Blue. Line it up. Move it down. And then orange. Line it up. Move it down. All right, now make sure the yellow's facing up. We can move on to the corners. I'll start with the orange, blue, and white corner. It's right here above where it needs to go, so I'm going to perform 4 right turns. I had to do it 3 times because it faced up. And now I'll move on to the red, green, and white corner. So I'll move it up where it needs to go. This is the red and green centers, and then it faces up, so I'm going to need to do the 4 right turns 3 times. Okay. Next one, I have the red, blue, and white corner next to the red, blue, and white centers. So the white faces me, so I'm going to rotate the cube so it faces to the left, and I'm going to perform the left 4 turns. And then the final corner is orange, green, and white. I'm going to move it over to the orange, green, and white centers. It faces me, so I'm going to turn for left 4 turns, and then now we can move on to the second layer. So find a edge in the second layer that doesn't have yellow. So this one works. Line it up with I'm going to line it up with the center. So green, the orange is the other color, so it's on the right. So I'm going to move this to the left, and then I'm going to perform the right 4 turns because I moved it to the left. Rotate so the edge is in the back, and then left 4 turns. And then I'm going to move on to the next edge. I'll take this red and green edge, line it up. Red is the other color, so it's over here, so I'm going to move it to the right and then perform left 4 turns. Move this edge to the back, right 4 turns. And then next, this, line it up. Orange is over here, so I'm going to move it away. Left 4 turns, rotate, so it's in the back. Right 4 turns, it's solved. Last one. Oh, it's flipped, like here. So I'm going to need to take it out, like so. And then insert it back with a placeholder piece. And then now it's in the top layer. I can line it up. Move it away, right 4 turns, left 4 turns, and we're done. Here we have an L shape, so bottom right, do the wide move, 4 turns, move it back. All right, and now I'm going to try to line up as many centers as I can. So line them up. Green is lined up, orange, so they're both adjacent, so that's perfect. And I can perform the soon algorithm with 1 on the right and 1 on the back. Right side up, turn, down, turn, right side up, all the way back, right side down, and then turn the top. And now they should all be lined up. All right, now I'm going to find a solved corner. This one's solved because it's in the right location. It's green here, orange here, yellow here. So I'm going to put it in the front right, and then I'm going to perform the algorithm. I'm going to check if the other corners are correct. This one's correct. This one's correct. This one's correct. So if they aren't, you just repeat that algorithm with the solved corner in the front right. Flip the cube over, and then I need to have a unsolved corner in the bottom right. So this one's solved because the yellow faces down, so I can just rotate the bottom. This one isn't, so 4 right turns until it's solved. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then make sure to rotate the bottom and not rotate the entire cube. This one's already solved, it faces down, and then this one doesn't, so 4 right turns, 1, 2, and then we're done.